Today I'm going to be reviewing one of the most interesting looking air purifiers we have tested at Housefresh, the portable Triple Exhalaron from CleanAirKits. It's currently available in the United States for $359, and I paid just under £325, including shipping and cost, to get it sent here to us in the UK. CleanAirKits came about from an online community of a dozen engineers worldwide to find a way to keep classroom air clean after mask mandates were dropped. They discovered that during their own CADR tests, the PC fan-based air cleaners were much more efficient in terms of sound and energy compared to standard retail HEPA air purifiers. We have already tested the Luggable XL and we were very impressed by its performance to sound ratio, so we were super excited to try another model from them. If you don't want to watch my full review, here are the 5 things I like and the 2 things I don't about the CleanAirKits Triple Exhalaron. Firstly, what I really like. Well, you get up to 10 hours of use with a 20,000 mAh battery. It's also very durable thanks to the wooden body and the choice of flexible filters protected by this mesh cover. The filters also come with an activated carbon for odors and gases, and it pulls only 6 watts at full speed. So super low energy costs. And the OEM filters are also very fairly priced. What I don't like, well, it's not cheap at $349. And if you don't need portability or tabletop usage, you can get much better CADR to dollar ratio with the Luggable XL devices from CleanAirKits. Right, let's jump into the full review. As usual, my first step when finding out about the Triple Exhalaron was to check the Energy Star website to see if a CADR test exists. Unfortunately, there wasn't one, but I can see why indie manufacturers like CleanAirKits don't send their purifiers for AHAM CADR testing, as it can cost around $50,000 per test, and that's just the minimum. CleanAirKits do show an estimate CADR of 120 CFM, which would rank the Triple Exhalaron alongside small air purifiers like the Levoit Core 300, which cleaned our test room in 45 minutes according to our Purple Air Zen sensor. Now, one of the big downsides of the Luggable XL was that it was a lot more delicate than other devices due to having a large exposed HVAC filter on each side and a body made of thin hardboard panels. Of course, I wasn't expecting to get a typical retail HEPA air purifier, but the Luggable is delicate, even compared to other PC fan-powered devices like the AirFanta 3 Pro or the NewKit Tempest. Now, unlike the Luggable range, the body of the Exhalaron series is made of a thicker hard board at the top of the device, and it also uses cylindrical filters like those we see in devices in the Levoit Core series. So these filters are much less delicate, and I was far less worried about damaging them when moving them or moving the device around the house. The Triple Exhalaron is the largest in the series with 3 fans, but you can also get a smaller version that uses just 2 fans, which is cheaper at $275 versus the $369 for the triple version. The Exhalaron has been created to be used as a table centerpiece, as experiments from the University of Colorado have showed that designs like this could reduce viral load in the air by up to 95%. Each of the filters has a mesh cover that protects the filters and also acts like a pre-filter. At the top, you have a laser cut hardboard base with 2 handles and a knob for adjusting the fan speed. Overall, I'm a big fan of the design. It just feels very steampunk, and I like how different it is to the generic white plastic designs you get when buying a retail HEPA air purifier. Another cool thing about the Triple Exhalaron is that it can be used with a USB-C battery pack without the need to buy any extra parts. You can just plug in the USB-C cable and you can have an air purifier running. Unlike other CleanAirKit devices, the Triple Exhalaron doesn't use the generic HVAC filters, so you do need to get the specific filters from CleanAirKits. The filters of the Exhalaron are factory-made H11 filters that also include a carbon element. That said, if you don't want to get the filters direct from CleanAirKits recommend using the filters used in the popular Titronics AP006, or any of the generic filters on the market that work for the AP006, like those from Pureberg. CleanAirKits do say that using these generic filters may affect performance, as they usually are a higher grade of particle filter and have more carbon. So they will be slower at removing particles from the air. Still, I think it's very cool of them to recommend alternatives to the OEM filters. Right, time to take you through the performance test. We tested the Triple Exhalaron in the same 728 cubic feet test room, where we've tested at this point over 90 air purifiers, doing the same job of removing incense smoke. This year, we've changed our performance test to add an additional purple air sensor, and we also record the test so you can see it for yourself. The Triple Exhalaron achieved PM10 in 46 minutes. Based on our rough estimates of the KDAR, this seems to be in the right ballpark that we would expect for the 120 CFM by CleanAirKits. We can compare these results with other small devices we have benchmarked. As you can see from the table, the raw performance to dollar spend is low with the Triple Exhalaron, but raw performance is not the only thing to look for when choosing an air purifier. You also need to know how loud it is, as if it's too loud, you just won't want to use it, no matter how powerful it might be. This is why we test every air purifier running at each fan speed from 3 feet away in the same location. The Triple Exhalaron has a knob to adjust the fan speed, so we made sure to track the sound levels at different speeds to show a range. Now be aware, our background noise is very similar to what we got for speed 1, so the actual result is likely to be much quieter, but please have a listen for yourself. I've also made a comparison with other devices that have a similar performance. As you can see from the table, when running it at its top speed, the Triple Exhalaron is 10 to 20 decibels quieter than most other smaller air purifiers we have tested. We can compare these results with other air purifiers running at lower fan speeds. So when looking at performance under 45 decibels, the Triple Exhalaron offers the same air cleaning power that you'll get with much larger air purifiers running at a lower fan speed. If you're looking for a small, quiet unit, you should definitely add the CleanAirKits Triple Exhalaron to your list to consider. As part of this review, I used an electricity monitor to record how much energy the Triple Exhalaron pulled at each fan speed. If you had to leave this device running 24/7, it would cost $6.39 in energy costs for a year. You can see how this compares to other devices we've tested. This is another design that shows how impressive PC fan technology is with the Mobius fans from CoolerMaster. They only pulled 6 watts at the highest speed. As with any air purifier, the filters for the Triple Exhalaron will need replacing eventually. CleanAirKits recommends replacing the filters for this device every 6 months, and they sell 2 filters for $29.99. This means the total cost for 1 year of filter replacements with the OEM filters is $89.97. We can add up these costs to the energy costs and compare total yearly running costs for the Triple Exhalaron with other small air purifiers. There are generic filters available for the Triple Exhalaron, but they're not far off from the OEM filters, so I would recommend sticking with those from CleanAirKits if you can get them easily. So is the Triple Exhalaron from CleanAirKits worth it? If you're just looking for a cheap air purifier to provide 5 air changes in a small space, then this is unlikely to be the air purifier for you. Instead, you could get a WinX Zero Compact for 1/4 of the price, or an AirFanta 3 Pro for half the price. But if you want a funky looking portable PC fan powered air purifier for reducing airborne risk when used on a tabletop, then there's nothing like the Triple Exhalaron on the market for you. While the higher price will likely put off many people, this is another great design that shows off the power of PC fans when it comes to air purifiers. When accounting for sound, the Triple Exhalaron can hold its own against much bigger air purifiers, and that was the reason why we included it on our list of the best small air purifiers. All in all, it's great to see a PC fan-powered air purifier with a fresh new design and cylindrical filters after so many similar looking kits have hit the market in 2024. Testing the Triple Exhalaron made me want to see what else CleanAirKits can come up with. It's certainly an exciting time for air purifiers. Now, as always, let me know your thoughts and questions you have in the comments, and I will see you all in the next video.